Hello and good evening once again. It's Levi Thunderstorm, the Alpha Thunder Trader. I'm back again, exactly, to show you the part 2 of the other video I made on how you can determine break of structure. I explain break of structure, I explain market structure shifts, I explain change of character. Now all those concepts, market structure shifts, break of structure, and change of character, is usually gotten from the SMC and ICT trading strategy. However, in the Malaysian scenario, you use the word breakout most of the time. Breakouts. But whatever word you use, whichever word you use, I want to forget about the word and just understand that there is something that is unique and always common, and it always repeats itself like a cycle. It's always repeating in the market space. You don't need to know the names. In fact, knowing the names of these things sometimes can confuse you or make it too complex. What you just need to do is understand what it feels like. Now I'm about to open your eyes, flood your eyes with light. I love what I do, and I also want you to feel that same energy. All right, now you will notice that in my trading style, I make use of the line charts. I don't use the candle chart all the time. My students, my friends who learn from me personally, they observe that I use the line chart a lot and not the candlestick all the time. I use candlestick when I'm trying to get some precise entry of the price in market. When it comes to my technical analysis, I love to use the line chart because it kind of simplifies things. Okay, now I know someone could see this for the first time and his head is about to melt because it's looking like probably a zodiac sign or alien language to him. However, if you just use your line charts, you can relate to this better because most of us in school, back then in school, the kind of graph we're used to was usually line charts. Yes, I know you're having that aha moment right now in your mind. When it comes to break of structure, market structure shifts, the reason why you need to know about it is that when you can spot your break of structure, your market structure shifts, and your change of character or your breakouts, when you can spot what it looks like, you can tell that now the price is about to reverse. Now the price is about to go up, it's about to go down. You can tell that, oh, in fact, it has not yet reversed. Do you understand? That is the importance of learning market structure shifts, market structure breakout, and all those blah 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 blah. Now, I use my line charts. When you come to your charts, you don't have to go this far to start analyzing what happened in the year 1900. No, you just need the most recent data. When you come to the market like this, how do you identify a break of structure is that you look at your crest. This is your crest, this view you are seeing down here, and this is your peak. They are usually called highs. For the peak is called high, and for the crest is called the low. Now, whenever price, I want you to see this. Let me put a replay button. It's going to make more sense to you. Now, I want you to understand that this works in crypto. It works in any trading, any financial market that can be displayed or represented graphically. This will always work. All right. Now, I'm moving forward a bit. Now, let's see. I see this. I'm trying to get something done here. Now, at this point where I can see this, I put my horizontal through. Please watch my video on where I explain my most favorite tools. I explain why I make use of these kind of tools. Then I put this. You can see I'm putting my lines at this point. Now, if price should move from here, where's my 2? Come on. Oh, no. My 2 is gone. What did I just do now? I can't find my favorite tools. They're gone. Right. Come back here. I have it then back. Yep. So let's say price came from here and broke this level up here. That's a breakout. That's a break of structure. All right, that's a break of structure. What if price came downwards to bring this level down here as well? That's also a breakout, but you can say what? A breakout structure. It's that simple. It's that simple. Now let's see what price is going to do. Oh God. Let's see what price is going to do. I'm playing it right now. Let's see what price is going to do. Now, just observe closely, and okay, I'm replaying the price. This is a past data, a past history. Okay. Now, when this is happening, all right, I'm trying not to give you too much information right now. I just want to make this as simple as possible. Bam! And it broke above that level. So right now, you can say that the price was bullish. You can say the price is bullish. It is going upwards. It's going to the high side, the upside. Do you see now? So this is one way you can know. So once you see this happening, you can tell that fine, for the next couple of days, all right, the market price for this currency, for these financial assets would be bullish. I'm just making it as simple as possible. What if in a case where you had this scenario? Let me give you an instance. Now that's you can call that a bullish breakout, okay? Because why? You can see that it broke this side to the upside. Where's my trend line? Right? It broke to the upside. You can call it a bullish breakout. You can call it a bullish breakout structure. Now, what about a bearish breakout? Now, for the bullish breakout structure, it lets you know that the price is bullish. The price is going upwards. You know that. Now, let's see. For a bearish scenario. Okay. Now, for this now, I can't find a bearish scenario right now. Now I want to look for something much easier for you to get. Let me use that. Okay, let me go to the lower time frame. Lower time frame. Lower time frame. Let me check daily time frame. Okay. Oops. Okay. Let me use this. I'm trying to look for simple examples for you to get. Now, put your line here. Bam. Put your line here. Here. Can you see what I'm doing? Now, imagine that price has not. I'm trying to use a replay function. Where are you? Oh my God. All right. So let's say we saw this right now. Fine, good, great. Now see what price does. Now, the moment I see that this level right now has been broken, at this point here, you can see that that's a bearish breakout. That's a breakout structure. Yeah, you can call it a breakout. And because it is going to the downward side, you can call it a bearish breakout structure, a bearish breakout. It's that simple. That's where you can know that, okay, for the next couple of days, the price should be bearish. And if it's going to reverse also, there's a way you can know about that as well. Yeah, I don't want to spill out too much information right now. Okay, but I'm just trying to make you see what these things look like. Okay. Let's pause here. Now let me delete this whole thing here. Now for this level here, you can see that this is a breakout structure to the upside, that tells that the price is what? It's bullish. This right now, let's imagine that this trade is live right now, and this occurs right now. This tells that the price is seeking to go higher because it broke this peak over here and not this crest. Let's say the price came down to break this guy downwards. You can say that, okay, this price is bearish, okay, it's breaking market to the downside, it's a bearish breakout, but unfortunately, no. The price actually decided to break above the peak, and that becomes a break of structure, or you can say a breakout. All right, so what's the upside? Now let's see what price did. Observe that price didn't come down below this low. Let me pause this right now. Okay, it came down below the low. Interesting. Now I want you to know that because this is a daily time frame, if you had gone down to a lesser time frame, this would have given you nice moves. But let's just see what we have to see here. I don't want to speak out so much information. It's just for you to understand what is happening. Bam, it goes downwards again. Now I want to understand that the moment this happened, oh, nice. All right. Now, what I was expecting was that I would expect price to, break above this guy here, the peak over here, where my mouse is pointing to. But unfortunately, we can see that price broke downwards. When price breaks downwards beneath that level, that tells that the price is, at this point now, you can see that price has broken beneath that level. This way you can tell that, okay, the price will be bearish for a while. Do you understand? So I will not seek any buy anymore. Now you can see that when price mounted up, it didn't go above this high. You can see it broke another structure again to the downward side. Look at, can you see? Where you can see that it broke structure downwards again as a break of structure. So how about a market structure shift? Let's look at a market structure shift. Okay, I've explained breakouts so far. All this will make sense when I start giving analysis. But right now, I want you to understand what a breakout is and what it looks like. Yeah, Levi, what about, okay, let me end this replay. Something as small as this is also a breakout. Watch. Can you see this place here? Can you see how price broke it? This is also a breakout. This is a breakout. You can call it what? A bullish breakout. Why? Because it broke it to the upside. Alright? You can also call it a breakout structure as well. Now, I want to show you what a market structure shift looks like. Are you ready? Get your eyes wide open. You're going to get that aha moment. Okay. Now, if you're using the ICT concept and the SMT concept, there is something called market structure shift, and I guess that was called change of character as well. You can see that when price actually broke this place. Okay, let me make this a replay to make you understand this better. And this might probably be the last video. This might probably be the last section of this video. Now, let's look at what we have here. Now, I'm expecting that price should break above this high. I put my horizontal ray there. Now, if I know that if price should break above this high, that will be a bullish move. But if price should come down, break below this low here, that will be a bearish move, right? Now I can play my replay, but I can play further. Now, the moment this happens, all right, you can see how price has broken it upwards. Now, why is it coming downwards? It is coming downwards to pick something. I told you I don't want to give you too much information right now. I'm just giving you what is necessary at the moment to make this thing so simple as ABC. There's a reason why price came down here. It's coming down to pick something here. But however, let's imagine that you know what price is coming for, because of course I can tell why price would have come down here. I can tell what price came to peak here, which I don't want to tell you right now. But just know that right now price came down here into this box region here, around here, and something's about to happen. It's about to what? Reverse, give a reversal pattern and finally go upwards. I want to show you that. Okay, now look at this box. From this box where it gave these funny looking shapes and reverted upwards, inside this place will be your market structure shift. Let me help you out by writing this on my screen. I'm supposed to use my digital notepad to write for you, but I'm not my digital notepad right now. So over here you have your market structure shifts, and for this side here you can call this your, what about this? You can call this your break of structure. Right. So for this line that broke upwards, you can call it your break of structure. But for this place inside this box, where this price reverted and moved upwards, it's called a market structure shift. So the difference, once again, like I told you in the previous video, that the difference between your market structure and your break of structure is that the both of them involves breaking above a level or breaking below a level. It involves breaking a level, a key level, a price level. They both break levels, both the break of structure and the market structure shift. But what makes the market structure shift stronger is that the market structure shift is usually a reversal pattern. It tells that right now the market is about to change its entire direction. Do you understand? Do you understand? The break of structure is mostly used to tell that, okay, the market trend is continuing. It's continuing. Oh my God. You want to know if there's a continuation in the market trend? Watch out for break of structure. You want to know if the market structure has reversed? Watch out for market structure shifts. Do you understand? Once again, I'm stressing it out to make it as easy as possible to comprehend. The break of structure is used to let you know that the market direction is still continuing. All right, it's still on. It hasn't changed. However, when you have a market structure shift, it lets you know that, okay, the market trend has changed entirely. Now, on the lower time frame, if I was to come downwards into, because right now also, you can also see that there's also a breakout here. Look at this place where I drew my, where I can draw my line. That's also a breakout, right? But this is not just a break of structure now. This is a market structure shift because this reversed the entire direction of the trade. Okay, now if I should go down to, let's say, a 1 hour time frame. Oh, I can't use the replay button that far. I have to cancel this trade. So I have to cancel that replay. So now let's go down to the now let me use this line to mark this place of interest. Okay, now I want us to focus our attention inside the boundary of these two red lines. On the daily time frame, you can see that this market price came downwards. All right. On the lower time frame, like a 15 minutes time frame, it's going to be a long sell, But however, on the daily time frame, you can see that it was a short sell. You can make millions of naira within this millions of naira, dollars, cedis, euros within this sell downwards. Then at this region where you have a market structure shift, it changed directly upwards. And I want to show what it looks like. Come down to your 1 hour time frame. Let's see what it looks like. Now, can you see what we're looking at? We are having more details. The reason why I go down to a 15 minutes time frame or a smaller time frame is to have more details on the charts. But if I want to summarize my detail, I want to have less detail. I want to summarize what I'm seeing in a particular area. I go to a higher time frame. All right, less detail makes it easier to perform your analysis. Much detail sometimes could distract you. I go for more details when I've understood what's happening by looking at a summarized detail. Now, you can see how price came downwards from this point, downwards to this point. And right now, what we saw here was a market structure shift. When look at this point where this actually broke. Can you see what I'm doing? So the moment price reverted backwards to break this high, you can see that it came down a bit again to take something inside this place beneath the level and finally shoot up. So from the 15-minute time frame, you can actually catch this trade. If I could go down to as much as my 5-minute time frame. If that was 1 hour time frame rather. On my 5-minute time frame, let's see what it looks like. You can see that on the 5-minute time frame, it's actually a long sell period. But because of the fact that when you trade, when I do my analysis, there's something called top-down analysis. You look at the higher time frame and the lower time frame. Okay, right now on the lower time frame, this is a long sell, but on the day time frame, as we saw earlier, it was a short sell. You get at the points where I see this happening, watch how this price actually broke above this level. I'm ending the video very soon. Now, guess what? Look carefully. Amongst these highs, right? These ones over here. I'm picking the highest one among all of them. I'm stretching it out. Now, the moment price broke above it, all right, I'm getting a hint that the market is about to go bullish, but I need to confirm it a bit. Observe that price came down and did what? It broke below this level. Now see what happened. It broke below this level here, but do you observe that when it broke that level, it actually reverted with straight upwards, and in reverting backwards, get what happened? It broke this high and this high. Let me show you this. Now you can see that right now we have a lot of details right now on the lesser time frame, and you're like, oh Levi, which one is the best to take to avoid all this stress? All right, that's why I love to use my higher time frame, a 4-hour time frame, where I have less detail to worry about or to pay attention to. Now, I know that if I just put this over here, can you see what I'm doing? I know on the 4-hour time frame, until I see the price breaks above it, I will then take a buy. But imagine I had taken my trade on the 15-minute time frame, or let's even say the 5-minute time frame. Now, I would have come this way, draw a brick of structure, and said that okay, price is going up now, and guess what? Price actually came downwards. It would have cleared me out. I would have been cleared out. However, to confirm that the market structure has shifted entirely, I would have just waited for, is that English correct? I'll be patient enough to allow price break this level here, this high you're seeing here, which came from the higher time frame. I hope I have simplified this to a good extent. However, if you don't understand, worry not, because I have more videos coming up again. More videos. Like I told you, I'm going to make a plethora of videos on market structure break, market structure shifts, break of structure, breakouts, Fibonacci, a lot of things. Make a lot of content. And once again, refer this to your friends and family. Yeah, friends and family, yourself as well. And I'm also open for mentorship, but limited slots. You need one-on-one mentorship, you need help to sort these things out. It's very easy. Very, very, very easy. However, if you want to stick to my channel alone, if you want to learn from my channel alone, you can actually get a lot. Yeah, but I know that there are people that, even though you teach them online like this on the YouTube channel, they still need someone who can put them, one-on-one. And if you're such kind of person, right now there's a limited slot for mentorship, and you are welcome. All right.